Yo guys, today I'm showcasing one of the best alternatives to Redz Hub, the brand new OMG Hub Script. This script has a Redz Hub, like smooth GUI that works perfectly on any device. And the best part? It's already updated for the latest Blox Fruits Lightning update. With OMG Hub, you'll get insane features like auto summer token, auto fishing, auto buy bait, auto kill red commander for Oni Token, auto fishing in the new red head event for new corrupted fish, auto server hop for red commander farming. Trust me guys, this hub feels super smooth and powerful, one of the closest experiences to Redz Hub right now. So stick till the end, and don't miss out on this game-changing script showcase.